Row. Mara. We'll go to the door. Go outside. Go outside. You want to go outside? Yeah. Okay, I guess everybody wants to go outside. You want to go outside, Dakota? You want to go outside? This is what I deal with. They've got stuff tore up all over the floor. Here's my Christmas tree. Go outside. Dakota? You want to go outside?